In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print double-sided duplex from your computer. Printing on both sides of the page is a simple way to save paper, reduce clutter, and make your documents look more professional. I'll guide you through the process step by step, and I'll also point out common labels and options you might see so you know exactly what to click, no matter which printer you have. Start by opening the document you want to print, then go to File and choose Print. This brings up the Print dialog, which is the control center for everything we're about to do. Next, make sure you've selected the correct printer. If you have more than one installed, choose the one that's physically connected or available on your network. If your printer model appears more than once, pick the main entry rather than any special fax or PDF options so you're sending the job to the actual device. Now look for a button or tab labeled Printer Settings, Setup, Preferences, Properties, or a similar term. Different printers and operating systems name this a little differently, but it's typically right next to your printer name or in an advanced or more settings area. Open that panel to reveal device-specific features. Find the option for two-sided or duplex printing and turn it on. Some printers also show long edge or short edge binding. Long edge keeps the page flipping like a book and works best for most portrait documents. Short edge flips like a notepad and is useful for landscape pages or certain booklets. If you're unsure, start with long edge. You can always adjust if the back page looks upside down. Before you print, take a moment to adjust the page range or layout if needed. You can choose to print all pages, a specific range, or just the current page to test your settings. This is a great way to confirm the duplex orientation without wasting paper. While you're here, review options like orientation, scale, and number of copies to match your needs. When everything looks right, click Print. Your printer should pull the paper back into print on the second side automatically. Give it a moment to finish the job, then check a page to confirm the orientation and margins look the way you expect. If you don't see a two-sided or duplex option, your printer may not support automatic duplexing, or you may need to install the full printer driver from the manufacturer. Updating the driver or checking your system's printer preferences can reveal additional settings. That's it. With these steps, you'll be double-sided printing confidently and saving paper on every job.